Stay on. Okay. Hey, this is Matty the Crazy, and I'm gonna do a new video with a second webcam on my laptop. Let's see here. This is the bathroom in my apartment, and can I hit to? So is that? Okay, let me see if I can get this thing adjusted right. Let me just see if I can put it. Okay, right about here. I'm gonna pour a bunch of junk in the top of the toilet tank, and then watch it flush out the bottom. It's gonna be crazy. First thing, and I'm gonna pour this Diet Coke in there. I used to do this at home, and then the toilet flushes brown water. It's not funny. Anyway. Oh, ah. Ow. Anyway. My shampoo. No, this was like my shampoo and body wash for the end of the year. Just a little bit left. So this one wants some sides and whatever. This way I can empty these out and I don't have to worry about taking them home, and it still technically doesn't really count as wasting them because I had fun with it. It's pretty that thing. Anyway. That's about all of that thing. Yeah. And this is a bottle of soap that my mom poured milk, kind of put in the microwave because the vacuum was stinking up the room when we were cleaning earlier. And in all honesty, she probably won't admit that, but she got that from me. Just wipe that off a little bit right there. And there's extra soap in here, extra hand soap in here too. And looks like this one too. Crazy butterfingers. And I'm gonna take this. This is what's this? Get out of there, you stupid weird thing. This is a bottle. Sorry, here pop up. Anyway, this is a bottle of Coke that we I decorated as part of the Taemong Fine Arts Club things. I made the violet or purple paint myself. It was supposed to be violet, and I used too much blue. But anyway, it's still got the Coke in it and some level of dust on the top. Some of it's evaporated by now. I was kind of afraid of pouring it out because it might damage the paint, but I can use this drain plug thing and then turn it upside down. That it should come out without splashing the paint. Anyway, I'll just wipe that off. Anyway, so now I'm going to throw the bottles away. Yeah. Anyway, it's going to be a little bit long, but let's see. Stir it up a little bit. And I always wash my hands in the bathtub. It's not better water pressure than this thing. Anyway, I'm gonna put the lid back on and clean this up a little bit here. Now, let's see, can that work? Let me see. I'm gonna redirect the camera here. Actually, it's good. I'm gonna hold it. And now, this fuzzing sucks, you know. Good way to clean out your toilet, actually. You know? Anyway, now I'm gonna take my computer back in here, and that is that. That is my video. Swing.